Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we will be learning about our classroom rules. This is all by Social Schooler. Okay, let's start. Number 1, treat others with respect at all times. Number 2, ask for help when you need it. Number 3, respect other people's property. Number 4, be prepared every day with required items. Number 5, keep your desk tidy. Number 6, listen and follow directions. Number 7, respect your classmates and your teacher. Number 8, keep hands, feet, and objects to yourself. And number 9, be kind, be honest, and be curious. Thank you so much for watching. See you again to our next topic.